This is how to deposit cash using your Bank of America card, so make sure to follow my steps. First of all, you should go to the nearest ATM machine. After that, you should insert your debit or credit card in there and enter your PIN number. For the next step, you should select deposit from the menu on the ATM screen. Next, make sure to choose cash as the deposit type, and then you should stack your bills neatly and insert them into the designed slot when prompted. For the next step, you should confirm the deposit amount on the screen to ensure it's correct. After that, you should wait for the transaction to finalize before removing your card. Or if you are at the Bank of America Financial Center, you should go to the Bank of America branch during operating hours. For the next step, you should get a deposit slip from the teller or a deposit slip dispenser. Once done, fill out the deposit slip with your account number and the total amount of cash you are depositing. And lastly, you should provide the deposit slip and cash to the teller and complete the transaction. And that's it. If you do find this video is helpful, consider like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.